If Discord is not opening, freezing on launch, or acting like the installation is corrupted, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step method to fix the Discord error by fully closing the app and clearing the damaged local files that are often causing the problem. This is one of the most effective fixes when Discord refuses to start properly on Windows or Mac. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is force quit Discord completely. Sometimes Discord looks closed, but it is still running in the background, and that can stop it from reopening correctly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. On Mac, open Activity Monitor. Once it opens, look for any Discord processes that are still running. You may see Discord, Update, or anything related to the app. Select each Discord process one by one and end the task or force quit it. Make sure every Discord process is fully closed before moving to the next step. Now that Discord is not running, we're going to clear the appdata files. These files store temporary settings and cache data, and if they become corrupted, Discord can fail to launch. On Windows, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run box. In the box, type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open the roaming appdata folder. Inside this folder, find the folder named Discord and delete it. This removes the roaming data that may be causing the app to break. Next, you need to clear the local appdata folder as well. Again, press the Windows key and R to open Run. This time, type %localappdata% and press Enter. A new folder window will open. Look for the Discord folder here too and delete it. This step is important because Discord stores more cached files and installation data in the local folder, and those files can also become corrupted over time. After deleting both Discord folders, you have removed the old app data that may have been preventing Discord from opening. Now you can reinstall or relaunch Discord fresh. When you open it again, Discord will recreate clean files automatically, which often fixes launch errors, corruption issues, and startup crashes. If Discord still does not open after this, you may want to restart your computer and try again. A restart can help clear any locked processes or temporary system issues. In most cases though, clearing both app data folders solves the problem. So to quickly recap, the fix is simple. First, force quit every Discord process, then delete the Discord folder from %appdata% and delete the Discord folder from %localappdata%. That gives Discord a clean restart and fixes a lot of common app opening errors. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.